Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you today. We are unboxing the January Macy's beauty box, as well as giving one of the items in here away. I don't even know which one yet, just one of them. I always try to give back to you guys in my unboxings, so I'm happy and excited to do that. I love Macy's beauty box. It's $15 a month. It does obviously ship out monthly. And there's usually sample sizes, deluxe size. Every once in a while you will get a full size item in there. They also put in their box either a $5 or sometimes a $10 off coupon that you can use either in store at Macy's or on their website for beauty products. I love that you get to try out some high-end items. So my giveaways are really easy. Just like the video, be subscribed, please watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're gonna need to know, and that's pretty much about it. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Viseart palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. And I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek into our February eyeshadow palette. So this one's, I have one for me and I have one for you that's not swatched or touched or anything. It is the Hip.C-Note palette. And I'm happy that I picked one of these up on their BoxyCharm add-on sale for you guys. I mainly use kind of these teal looking colors in here for the look that I have on my eyes today. So be on the lookout for this for our February palette. It won't be, giveaway for this won't be live until then. Right now we've got the Viseart, and then I think there's like one more day left for the Ciate London palette. So if all that sounds interesting to you, please hit that like button if you haven't already, and I invite you to subscribe. Let me know how your New Year's is going so far. Mine's been a little cray-cray. I know most of you guys that live in the United States are like, what is going on here? Besides that, my son, he runs cross-country and track in college. When he was at his college in the fall, he was lifting weights and he hurt his back. Well, once he got back for the Christmas break, I got him into a physical therapist, and his pelvis is tilted. He has a couple of tears in one of his discs in his spine and some tendonitis in his glutes, and I'm just like, I thought we were done with 2020. All this junk that's going on right now for 21 can go back to 2020. I'm ready to have an awesome year. How about you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. So there is a $5 off coupon in today's box. So I'm interested to kind of try and figure out what's going on with Macy's, because they shut down for a while when the virus was kind of out of control this summer. They're out of California, and so they had shut down their shipping, so we didn't get it for a while. And now with the way that California is going, I wonder if they're going to have to stop shipping this or not. So it does say that this bundle here is an $87 value. It's even with most of these being sample sizes. So it's totally devoted to your tresses. This month's box is loaded with every essential you need for your best hair yet, from shampoo and conditioner to styling products and more. One of the other interesting things that Macy's does is they always send you with their bundle, either these products are mainly specifically made for Macy's, either a tool or accessory or something along those lines. So the first item in here is from Verb oil. It is their Ghost Oil. This weightless wonder oil is infused with moringa oil and bamboo extract to smooth frizz, strengthen your hair, and help retain moisture. Full sizes retail for $18. How to use: apply to damp hair before a blowout or dry hair to smooth and add shine. Anything I can do to help with this frizz, I'm all about. I don't really do blowouts that much because it would take forever. I have tried one of the Verb curl products before that I really did like, so I'm anxious to try that one. From Rahua is their classic shampoo. It's made with signature Rahua oil from the Amazon. This shampoo will strengthen weak, damaged hair, maintain scalp health, and leave your tresses soft, silky, and luminous. Bonus, the fresh, woodsy aroma. How to use: massage into roots to balance oils and soothe your scalp. I love getting ones like these for when you travel. They're the perfect size. And then there is also the Rahua Classic Conditioner, and it's made with the same ingredients as the signature oil as the shampoo. This award-winning conditioner fortifies, hydrates, and detangles your hair. Detangles? Yes, please. Full size does retail for $36. How to use: apply to the length of your hair in the shower, after the shower, and it can also be used as a lightweight styling cream to smooth frizzes and to flyaways. So that'll be cool to try. From Chlorine is their dry shampoo. I have tried this before and really liked it. So this one is: extend the life of your locks with this award-winning plant-based shampoo. The ultrafine powder leaves hair clean, refreshed, and full of texture and volume. Full size does retail for $29. How to use: spray 10 inches from roots, wait 2 minutes, and use fingers to brush to work through. I'm not a huge fan of dry shampoos just because of my natural curly hair. I have to wash my hair at least like every other day because it becomes a big tangled mess if I don't. And obviously if I brush it out, it's going to get big. I have like the dry bar products. So this is the Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. This ultra plumping spray foam targets roots for instant lift and volume. Full size does retail for $26. How to use: shake well, spray into damp hair at the roots, and gently massage until the foam disappears. Blow dry as usual. I don't blow dry my hair because it does the psh. Even with a diffuser, it goes psh. So I just air dry my hair. Now, one of the items in here had me completely geeked out. I couldn't believe that they put this in here. We are talking, for a $15 box, a mini flat iron from Sultry Beauty. Created for Macy's, this tool is perfect for on-the-go companion, featuring pure ceramic plates that heat up in no time, and one adorable mini package, full size. Like the big size of this retails for $80. This size right here retails for $59. Remember, you only paid $15 for your box. So pro tip: carry in your bag for style touch-ups. I don't flat iron my hair that often because it would take a while, but when I do, I always have problems getting super close because my hair is so curly, getting super close to get these little flyaways. These mini, I'm hoping, will make a big difference in that. And look how cute this lavender shade is. There's kind of the plaits. So I'm definitely looking forward to this one. So I did forget to mention to you guys, so this is the first video that I've shot all the way through on the new camera and the new microphone. Not necessarily new camera, I got it last year for Christmas, but I needed an external mic with it, and so I just didn't use it this last year. I know, my bad. All my videos prior to this have been filmed on the iPhone, so let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So the next item was created just for Macy's. So this is kind of the extra little bonus item for this month. It is a velvet hair scrunchie. This little bonus serves up this to smooth hair that you want in the 90s vibes. Pro tip, tie a loose ponytail before bed to preserve style and prevent breakage. So you know how people are wearing those kind of gator masks now, which don't do a whole lot in the long run, most of them, for protecting you against the virus. But I was using those things before they became popular, and how I was using them, this is going back years and years and years, so obviously pre-COVID, is I would take a shower at night. It's just what I do, because otherwise my hair takes too long to dry in the morning. Anyway, so as soon as I'm out of the shower, then I'll put in a little bit of my styling cream, and then I will put my hair back in one of those gaiters, because I have to have my hair back. Even when I had it super short and I couldn't put it back in a ponytail, I still had to keep it back from the face. So anyway, that's why either have to have it up in a scrunchie, or most of the time I put it back in the gaiter thing. Secret word, scrunchie. The last item in here is from Michael Kors. It is the new Gorgeous perfume. It is a celebration of women and the confident female spirit. This bold floral woodsy fragrance knows how to make an entrance. Full size, which is 3.4 ounces, retails for $120. How to use: spritz onto the moisturized skin and make it last even longer. So let's do a little spritz. Move the water so I don't get spritz perfume in it. I like it. It's really florally. I was thinking it was going to be super woodsy, which I'm not too big into and for ladies' perfumes, but I really, really do like it. Although, I wonder if it's the wood in it, because wood products, for whatever reason, even if they are synthetic wood fragrance, set off my asthma, and that's kind of what I have going on right now. So I'm wondering if it's the perfume, because it has the wood scent in it, because my asthma was fine until I just sprayed that. So that's a bummer. Normally I don't mind getting those little samples. For the ladies, I just put them in here. It's this cute little plastic container. Got it at the dollar store. And I will put it in the guest bedroom when we have guests come over, and that way they can, when we did have guests come over and stay with us, it's been a while, but that way they can try out some really cool fragrances too. And then for the guys ones, because Macy's has a tendency normally to send out a ladies one and a guys one. The guys one I just save in a box, and then come Christmas time I put it in my son's and my husband's stockings. So I thought it was a pretty good box. This flat iron, hello, this just totally made the box. I don't know if I've ever seen Macy's do an all hair care product before. I've seen them do like an all skincare one before, but I've never seen them do like an all, most of the time it's skincare and makeup, but I haven't seen them do like an all hair care one before. So let's give away the velvet scrunchie to one of you guys. I have a ton of scrunchies. I'd rather just pass this on to one of you. So like I said before, my giveaways are really easy. Just like the video, be subscribed. Down in the description box is a Google form link that you're going to need to fill out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can check that you are subscribed, and make sure to put that secret word in it. I'm trying really super hard to grow the channel. I've got to get this thing monetized this year. I just do. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you. And you must be 18 years or older in order to enter. It is open international, although I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, loss in transit, damage, anything like that for it to get to you. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty, AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Let's have this giveaway go through February 14th at Valentine's Day. And then on February 17th, we'll kind of do our spin the wheel, where I have all of my giveaways. That usually what I've been doing for the past couple months is have all my giveaways end on one day. And that way it just makes my life a whole lot easier when I'm trying to ship everything out to you, and I can just get it done at once. And so we have our January spin the wheel sale coming up on Wednesday. But this one will go through February 14th. I hope that you're having a great start to your new year. Like I said, let me know how you guys are doing in the comments down before. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.